Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to save PNG file format in Photoshop 2022. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your home tab right here, click on file. Then having opened up your file, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to save a copy. And this is going to open up. Then you have to choose your file location. So I'm saving this file into my desktop. So I'm going to simply click on desktop. Then having chosen the desktop, next thing I'm going to do is to come down below right here where you have save as type. So I'm going to click on that. Then right here, I'm going to choose PNG. Simple as that. Then you can see it right here. So this is the file format. It's already a PNG file in my desktop folder. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on save. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing I'm going to do is simply click on OK. In a few seconds, everything is going to save just like what you see right here. Boom. The file has been saved successful as PNG file format. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply save any file as PNG file format in Photoshop 2022. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.